Good morning. In this video I will explain you chapter 2 class 4th addition and subtraction. Chapter 2 addition and subtraction. First I will explain you add 5 and 6 digit number with regrouping and without regrouping. Addition. The process of adding two or more numbers is called as addition. In this chapter, I will explain you addition of 5 or 6 digit number. Addition with a regrouping. In this, first basic rule is that if any number, first we have to place on a place value chart. In place value, ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000. Then we write the number and add. When we add, we start from the right hand side, means ones place, then tens, then 100, 1000, 10,000. This way we will add. Now addition without regrouping, you have to now learn addition by expanded form. Addition using expanded form. In this, number is given, you have to write 1,20,000, 5,623. This way you have to write the expanded form and we have to add it. Then addition with regrouping. Regrouping means carrying. If we carry, how we will add the number? First step, I have explained you first rule that you have to write the number on a place value chart. Ones, tens, 100. When we have arranged the number, after arranging the number, first we add from one side. One side, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Then next we will add tens place. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 0. 10 we can't write the two digit in a one place. So 0, 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. For 12, we will write the 2, 1 carry over. The next digit, 1000, after 1000, place 7 plus 1, 8 plus 8 is equal to 16, 6, carry over 1. Then 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Our answer is 46206. This way you can do the exercise 2.1, page number 40, do in your book. Second question, third question, you do in your notebook. In this video, I will explain you the properties of addition. Properties of addition. First property, order of addition, means we can change the order. Here number is given 43,265 and 23,572. We can write any number first. In this column, the 43,265 plus 23,572. In another 23,572 first we have written in this book and 43,265. Then answer is same. Whatever be the order of the addend, the sum remains the same. Now addition by regrouping. This is second property. If regrouping is given, means more than two number is given. Here look here 45,625 plus 12,415 plus 1,25,227. These three number is given. Two number in a bracket, then separate one number. When we add the answer, first two number we add, after that third number we will add, we will get the third number. When we will add, we get the answer same in regrouping. Now another property, rules of the addition. When add of a 0 means when we add any number with a 0, we will get the same answer. Addition of a 1, if we add any number plus 1, then we will get the next number. Successor of the number we will get if we add 1. Now addition of a 10 means tens place of a number 10 place we add 1, increase the number. When we add 10 to the number, the digit at the tens place increase by 1. Addition of 100 means when we add 100 to number, the digit at the 100 place increased by 1. Same here, addition of 1,000 means for the 1,000 digit we increase by 1. This way you can do the practice exercise 2.2, page number 45, do in your book. Good morning. In this video I will explain you subtraction of 5 digit and 6 digit number. In this I will explain you the number from which another number is subtracted is called the minuend. The number being subtracted is the subtrahend. The answer we obtained is called the differences. The basic rule of subtraction is, first we have to see the number which is largest and which is smallest number. Largest number we first arrange in a place value chart. At the all the digit we first arrange in a column. Then after arranging the column, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 place, largest number we will write first, and below that smallest number we will write and subtract it from the number. Now with the regrouping, carrying or borrowing subtraction. In the subtraction, here is greatest number is 95,927 and 24,753 is the smallest number. Now we start from the subtraction from ones place. Ones means 7. From 7 we have to subtract 3. We get answer 4. And now next tens place. In the tens place, look here, from the 2 we cannot subtract 5. Then we borrow from the 100 place. From the 100 place will give you one number, means your number become 12. From the 12 we can subtract 5. Answer is 7. Here you have given one number from the 9. Then here is 8. From 8 you subtract 7. Then answer 1. From the 5, next from 9, 5 we subtract 4. Then answer is 1. From 9 minus 2 is 7. This way you can do practice exercise 2.4, page number 49 in your book. Now I will explain you some properties of subtraction. In next class I will explain. In this video I will explain you properties of subtraction. Order of minuend and subtrahend. The order of the number to be subtracted is very important. The larger number is written first and the smallest is written below the largest number. If order is changed, you cannot be subtracted. Now subtracting 0, subtracting 0. Whenever 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. If here one number is given, you subtract 0, then you will get the same number. Subtracting 1. If you subtract, when a 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number just before that is. Means 5,82,564 minus 1 is equal to 5,82,563 answer. The predecessor of the number. Subtracting the number from itself. If you subtract the number from itself, you will get the answer is 0. When the number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. Subtracting tens, hundred and thousand. When 10 is the subtracted from the number, the digit at the tens place, expect it is the 0 is decreased by 1. Means tens place you have to decrease the 1 number. When the 100 is subtracted from the number, the digit of the 100 place, expect if it is its 0 is decreased by 1. When the 1000 is subtracted from the number, the digit at the 1000 place, except if it is 0 is decreased by 1. This way you can do the practice exercise 2.5, page number 52 in your